Hello everyone, I'm Avadh. I'm dedicated functional consultant into D365. This is my YouTube channel D365 with Avadh, where I'm sharing my D365 experience with you all. So today I'm going to cover one of the basic topic and which is a very much important in interviews perspective. So whenever you are giving any interview for the finance, you will mostly find this question. So, what is a posting profile and so today there is so many posting profile, but I am going to cover inventory posting profile. And in inventory posting profile, we are going to discuss only two posting profile. One is related to purchase and second is related to sales. So, so the basic question, how you will learn, suppose you want to learn this entry is uh, what is a purchase entry and what is a sales entry, how you will learn those entries. So first is I'm just want to share you there is one log created by the Microsoft inventory posting profile in D365 that cover everything. The second thing you can do, you can post the entries and you can learn what is the impact of the system. That is the only way you can learn, that is only best way to learn the impact of the entries, right? Um, uh, because in standard and demo environment, posting profile are almost already posted, right? So what you need to do, you need to post more entries and you need to understand what is the ultimate impact of each entries. So so we have a two ways to create a posting profile. First is we can go to the inventory management module, and in inventory management module we have a setup. In setup we have a inventory. In inventory we have a inventory group. So from inventory group we can create a multiple inventory group based on our requirement, and we can define the posting profile in sales order, purchase order, inventory, production, setup and warehouse. In this video we will cover only sales order and purchase order posting profile. The second way is same in inventory posting profile. We have a option of posting, and in posting you can go to the posting. So here you can define posting profile of sales order, purchase order and inventory, production and standard cost variance. So these both are same only, um, but yeah, here you have a holistic view of the posting profile. But yeah, you can choose whatever you like, but for a learning purpose I will for learning and for a demo purpose I will choose this path. And now what I will do, I will first explain purchase order posting profile and then we'll move to the sales order posting profile. So here we have this much of options. So whenever you are learning any journal entry into the system related to the purchase and sales, make sure you are not bothering about the main account. You just need to take care of your posting type. So let me go to the account payable module in all purchase order. So suppose this is invoiced. So let me go to the invoice and I'm going into the voucher. So this is my complete entry. So if you will see here, account name, ledger account, this will be changed as per the company's requirement, right? But what you need to take care is a posting type. So what posting type it is here, suppose it is a purchase accrual, it will come from here purchase accrual always. So we need to make sure whenever in interview if someone asks you a question and even you are learning these journal entries, make sure you will learn from posting type, not from the main account, right? Main account will change as per the company's choice, right? So now I'm discussing purchase order. So for posting purchase order without production and any other things, what are the posting type is required and used? So the first cost of purchase material received, purchase expense invoice. Then third, this one, fourth is purchase expenditure for product. Then system will use purchase accrual, and system will use purchase expense for expense. Right. So this much posting type system will use at the time of any purchase entry, whether it is a GRN entry and whether it's a invoice entry. So firstly, whenever we are posting any PO, it is just a confirmation. There is no financial impact on the PO level. Second, when we are move to the GRN, there will be two entry into the system, and when we'll go to the invoicing, there is a invoicing entry into the system. So what happens? System will use this much a posting type. So this for, so I'm not going into this much detail, but directly I'm switching into the journal entry. I have downloaded one journal entry of purchase and sale. So what I have done, I have created one item with the purchase price of 24,009 rupees and selling price of 25,000. So now I have posted general purchase and sale entry of a same item, and this is the result of the entries I have already downloaded in Excel. Here my purpose is not to go into deep of how you can create a PO, GRN and invoice. I just want to focus in this video for a posting inventory posting profile. So whenever I will post any GRN, yeah, suppose here also there is one thing that we have a item, and there is a two type of item. First is a item, and first is a, sorry, product, and second is a service. So I am right now discussing about the product. So whenever we are posting any entry at in purchase level, at the time of product receipt, system will post these two entries. So when you will see this entry, first posting type is uh, cost of purchase material received, right? So this is the posting type system is using. So here if you will see that cost of purchased material received, in last it is showing you received. Why it is showing you received? Because this is a GRN entry. So what does it means? Some goods is coming in our factory. So for that, at that time what happens, our inventory will go up, and this shows that our inventory is going up for this particular item what we have purchased. This is a temporary entry, and the nature of this ledger is a current asset inventory. And after this there is one offset account which is related to expense, purchase expenditure uninvoice. That is a offset account will use by system, and this offset account will automatically got reverse. And there is one more entry of purchase accrual, that is nothing but AP related account. And this shows that we have created some liability against this inventory. Right, so this is my GRN entry, and these two entry, so if you will see overall effect, these two entry are got nullified. There is only impact in a current asset, so current inventory will go up, and accrual liability will raised for that particular current asset. So there is only two impact, one is in current asset and one is for current liability in AP level. Now at the time of invoice what happens, this two entry will got reversed. So suppose if you will see here, and yes, this purchase accrual is used you can define here in system purchase accrual. Then this two entry will got reversed. So if you will see here, this entry got reversed. Purchase expense uninvoiced is debit here at the time of GRN, but at the time of invoicing this account is getting credited. So this entry will got reversed. if you will see here, and then there is no impact of this entry. Right, so what I will do, this consider this entry as a non impact. Now what happens, this entry also will got reverse. So this, and if you will see here on second way line, this entry also got reverse. Now there is one account which get debited and which get credited also, which is transferring uh, our product cost into the inventory cost. So whenever we are posting any entry in GRN, yeah, so whenever we post the GRN, system will create a product cost, and when we are posting the invoice, system will convert the system will add a financial cost. So here, if you will see the naming conversion, it is a received here, uninvoiced, of the posting type, right? And here, the same thing will got reversed, uninvoiced, and received, right? And whenever it got transfer from GRN to invoice, means product cost to invoice cost, it system will create a one more entry, which is which will again nullify with each other, debit and credit, right? A product purchase expense for product, debit and credit. If you will see purchase expenditure for product, that will got debit and credit on same entry. Now what is the ultimate entry of the purchase, purchase invoice? So that is nothing but cost of purchase material invoiced. So here if you will see same entry, cost of purchase material received, whenever we do the GRN, it is I mean chronology as an received, and here it is invoiced. And once if you will see this invoiced, this is nothing but our inventory account. This is finished goods. You can say it is a finished goods account, inventory account. So inventory will up because we are purchasing the cost goods. So inventory up by 24,000, and vendor balance. So from this is my suppose I have taken these goods from ABC company. So this, when we have a liability for the same. So for this vendor got credited into the system. So this is the particular entry of the purchase at the purchase invoice at the time of the invoices and GRN we have discussed. So so now suppose a same item, if I will create a sales entry, what will the impact of the what will be the impact into the system, and what will the journal entry, and why this journal entry is posted by the system, we'll understand this. So here if you will see here, at the time of the product receipt, system will post one entry, that first is a cost of goods sold delivered debit, to cost of units delivered credit. So here if I will go to the sales order, in particular sales entry we will use only this much posting type, first five only. So you can define here cost of goods delivered and cost of goods sold, cost of unit delivered and cost of goods sold delivered. So again this is a GRN entry, so it is showing me as an delivered, as an posting type. So what this entry means, this entry means expense account is got debited, and my because we are selling goods, so inventory account will credited, because inventory whatsoever will debited at the time of purchase will got here reversed, right? So if you will if we have an option that we can make this cost of units deliver account will similar to this purchase account if we want. Otherwise we can make it separately also. there is no issue here. In here this account have a debit balance, and this account have a credit balance. So that's how we can also match. if uh, if you want to, to have a separate account, and we can make as a common account also for both the case, right, for purchase and sales. So now here what, if you will see, for a similar way, at the time of the packing slip, product receipt, system will post the entry like inventory will got credit, and because inventory is going, and the expense will debited. Now at the time of invoice, again the same entry will got reversed. So if you will see cost of good delivered here, credited, now it will got debited, and cost of good sold delivered, it is debited, it is got credited. So this is a simple reversal of GRN entry. Now we'll see what is the actual impact into the system. These four entry have an actual impact on the system, because this is just a reversal entry. Similar way here also, this two entry is a reversal of GRN entry, and this is interly reversed. So only impact of purchase in invoice into the system is this two entry only. A vendor got credited, and GRN or and inventory got debited. So this is only an impact into the system. Similar way here, what is the impact into the system? We'll check. So if you will see here, cost of goods sold invoiced. So whatsoever entry, if you will see here, delivered, because that is a entry we post at the time of GRN. But it got reversed, but at the time of invoice, a system will change the similar entry into the invoiced, right? So here cost of goods sold invoice, a cost of goods sold invoice is nothing but a cost which is occurred by us for selling this particular goods. So this is nothing but purchase plus other expense related to the sales of that particular, uh, I mean direct expense. You can add here direct expense. So this is nothing but the cost which is incurred to sell these particular goods. And what is a cost of unit invoiced? Uh, Cost of unit invoice, which is nothing but our inventory account. So whenever we are selling goods, inventory account will got credited. So it will reduce our inventory, right? Whenever we will sell, so this inventory account will got credited. So this is a one impact, one entry which have a impact. That first entry is a first impact is our it will impact on COGS, and second, our inventory will reduce. And the second entry, second impact is it will impact the revenue account and a customer account. So we'll received payment from this customer. So customer account will got debited, and sales revenue account will got credited, because it's a income for our company. So so basically what happens whenever we are generally apart from ERPs, if you are working on Tally or something, what happens into the system? Whenever you will do any purchase, system will post entry into the purchase account. But here there is no concept of purchase into the system. Here inventory work on a consumption or sales consumption basis. So at the time of the purchase, what system will post the entry? System will only add inventory, and add inventory means inventory account will got debited. uh, Sorry, yeah, my bad. Add inventory account will got debited, and vendor account got credited. So there is a only impact entry at the time of purchase. And at the time of the sale, what happens? This inventory will now go now will at the time of sale will reduced. So inventory account will got credited, and our cost of goods sold account will got debited. Uh, and one more impact, that our revenue means a sale, I mean sales account have an impact, which is got credited, and our customer account will got debited. So that is ultimate impact of this purchase and sales. Whenever we are passing any entry into the system in a PNL, in apart from ERP, what happens? Purchase account will debit and sale account will got credit. This is generally impact into the system. But in ERP and in balance sheet, what impact is there? Inventory account will debited at the time of purchase, so inventory up plus, and same inventory will got reverse at the time of the sale. So that was ultimate impact. And what is the difference between the purchase and sale? Here what happens, we have purchase it with 24,009 rupees and sell it on 25,000 rupees. So this is nothing but my profit in my PNL. So generally this is my profit. But here what happens in a ERP, in D365, any SAP and D365, any ERP, it will work on a consumption basis. So at the time of the purchase, system will only impact uh, this inventory. And yeah, apart from this, there is one more impact. First, um, let me write down in little bit detail. Yeah, here it is a liability. So and here a set. Okay. So here our vendor liability, and here asset. Asset means customer account. APAR, you can understand that also with that name. So yeah, in balance sheet, at the time of ERP, what happens only, uh, uh, so in generally it will impact purchase and vendor when we'll do any entry, and here sales and customer. But in ERP it is not the case. In ERP it is work like it will impact the purchase. At the time of purchase it will impact to the inventory and vendor only. There is no entry of the purchase. Here it will consider as an COGS in P&L account, and this will impacted at the time of the consumption, means sales. At the time of purchase, we have only two entries. Inventory got add, so inventory positive and vendor account. But at the time of the sale, we have a entry like inventory will reduced, and we have an impact on COGS. So this is my second impact. So at the time of the sales, my COGS entry will be posted, not at the time of the purchase. And the second impact is there is an impact in sales and customer account, right? So this is a entry at the time of the at the time of any ERP. But whenever we learn any accounting, we'll learn like at the time of the purchase, what happens? Purchase account will got debited and vendor account will got credited, but not the actual case in case of the ERP. So I have explained you in detail that what happens in ERP, and when this COGS account this COGS account will have an impact at the time of the sale only. So this is my ultimate impact on ERP at the time of purchase entry and sales entry. I hope I make it is clear for you. And please subscribe my channel for more such kind of videos. And also now there is new feature of hype. You can hype my video so that it will reach to maximum video. Thank you all.